And sana pray lang tayong lahat na maging okay na, no?
Haba ng pila, guys. Papunta to sa checkout.
This is really hard to find. This is hand sanitizer.
Ayan, mas stress na naman yan siya. Isipin niya naman, agoy, hindi kompleto yung emergency kit. Good morning, guys! Linggo na tayo ngayon. Hindi ko to na laundry kahapon kasi may hindi inaasahang pangyayari. Nag-dinner tayo sa labas. So, yung mga puti, hindi ko na wash. Si Dan umalis. Nagpunta lang sa bahay ng kuya niya kasi maghihiram siya ng ladder. Aayusin niya yung ilaw namin dyan sa closet. Kumusta na yung sitwasyon niyo sa inyo, guys? Dito kasi sa Australia, wala pang lockdown so far. Hindi naman siya normal kasi obviously may nangyayari talaga. Alam talaga ng mga tao na may nangyayari. Pero sa amin walang lockdown. So totoo lang, hindi pa namin alam talaga kung ano talaga gagawin namin. Like, right now, yung kinabibisihan namin na Dan is sa bahay kasi yun naman talaga, nakapirma na kami guys ng kontrata sa agent na itong date na to, yung ibibenta namin. Naka-receive kasi ako ng email, sabi, napaka-insensitive mo naman. Dapat hindi nyo binibenta yung bahay nyo ngayon. Alam ba namin na ganito? Alam ba namin na ganito yung magiging sitwasyon? Hindi naman namin alam. Kung alam lang namin, hindi talaga. Kasi alam namin na maaapektuhan yung, siguro mga offers, siguro maaapektuhan talaga. So kung alam lang namin, hindi namin siya gagawin. Anyway, sa Australia, wala pang lockdown. Yung mga shops, busy. Matagal na naman na wala ng toilet papers. Pero okay pa din, nakakapagtrabaho pa din yung mga tao, nakakapaglabas-labas pa din kami. Kasi hindi naman kami sinabihan na huwag lumabas. Alam mo yun? Kapag sinabi ng government na huwag kayong lalabas, magfa-follow naman talaga. Pero wala pa kasi. Iba-iba po yung sitwasyon natin. Every country, iba-iba po yung sitwasyon. Sana lang okay yung lahat, and please stay safe. Plus, also, my vlogs, 1 week late po siya ha. So, siguro yung mga reaction ko sa inyo is delayed kasi nga 1 week late yung vlog ko. So, please take that in mind. Sa panahong ito, tayo po ay magtulungan. Huwag po tayong maggaganunan kasi I don't think that's gonna help us in any way, shape, or form. Okay? So, sa ngayon, yung reason na kung bakit busy kami and yung mga pinagagawa namin is still preparation para ibenta yung bahay. Kasi kapag nag-stop kami ngayon, ituloy naman pala, wala. 'Di ba? Kami din yung kawawa. Kasi sinong gagawa nito? Lahat kami lang din naman. So hanggang sasabihin nila na, uy, hindi na pwedeng magbenta, edi stop kami kasi wala naman kaming magagawa. Pero sa ngayon, wala pa kasi. Yung latest update regarding sa like mga open house is hindi lang pwede mag-shake hands. Alam mo yun? Pero meron pa din namang open house. Nag-check si Dan last week, kahapon lang. Hindi naman namin pwedeng i-stop yung ginagawa namin kasi what if tuloy, di kami yung kawawa, diba? So, yeah. Anyway, ingat-ingat na lang po tayong lahat and sana pray lang tayong lahat na maging okay na, no? Sundin po natin yung mga sinasabi ng mga kinauukulan para po walang gulo. I'm pretty sure hindi naman nila yan sasabihin sa inyo kung walang rason. So, I think there's a reason kapag sinabi na, oh, sa bahay lang kayo. Sa bahay lang talaga. Pati nga ngayon, hindi naman sinabi sa amin na hindi pwede mag-travel, pero I think we will cancel our travel talaga. Kahit na wala pa namang sinabi na hindi pwede. Pero, alam mo yun? Yes. Okay? Tapusin natin to. Tapos na ako maligo, guys. Kakatapos lang. Pupunta kami ng shops mamaya. Inintay ko lang na matapos yung laundry ko kasi 3 minutes left na lang. And what's happening at the shops at the moment. Tumawag yung brother-in-law niya ata. Tapos, sabi daw, kakagaling lang nila ng shops. And, sobrang, hindi naman siya magulo. Pero, ubos daw yung trolley. Never pa daw niyang nakita na ganito ka-busy yung shops. Kailangan lang namin yung mga kakainin namin for the week. Kasi nga, di ba, nag-shopping na kami na Dan. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga binili namin later. Pero, sana naman may mabili pa tayo, no? May lista na kami dito, eh.
Sobrang busy, guys.
It's busy like it's Christmas.
Yeah.
Is that busy? How busy is it?
Minsan lang maging ganito ka-busy.
Alright,
This one right here.
Plenty.
Marami palang car park, uy. Alright, punta tayong Coles. Maraming tao, maraming tao. Usually kapag linggo, hindi naman ganito kadaming tao. Meron pa namang trolley. Hindi pa naman ubos. Ang pretty ng ginger. Hindi pa naman ano guys, hindi naman ganun kabisi ha?
If you have to make adobo,
Adobo, yeah.
I don't say make it. What do you need? Do you have ingredients at home for adobo?
Yeah, we have. Yep. Ayun, nagkakaubusan na ng steak. Wala na masyadong laman, guys. Oh, good? Tingin tayo ng ibang meat dito. Ay, wala na din masyado, oh. Wala. Soup bone sana hinahanap ko. Walay. Oh, good? Haba ng pila, guys. Papunta to sa checkout. Checkout, right?
Yeah.
Is that self-checkout? Do you wanna line up there? Okay.
I don't think worry about ice cream. Or do you want ice cream?
Nah. We're good. We still have the ice cream. Hindi pa rin namin nakakain. Oh, well, si Dan kumain. Pero hindi pa ako kumakain ng ice cream. Oh, good? Guys, ito pa rin yung sitwasyon. Wala pa rin toilet paper. Dito pa din yung mga note na 1 pack per transaction lang. Pero wala na. Sa Foodland, because we need toilet paper. If you don't want us to touch the one that you got for the emergency.
No, we're alright.
Yung hand sanitizer na aisle, wala na din, guys. Ubus na. Toothpaste. Okay. Anything will do, really. Oral-B?
Yeah, go the Oral-B. Try that half. That one there.
Ah, that's small. How many? 2 or 1?
We'll run up this week on that.
Okay. Yung iba nagkakaubusan na din ng mga
Headache tablets, you're okay?
headache tablets. Yeah, we're fine. We have headache tablets. Meron silang ano dito guys, trolley wipes. So wet wipes siya. Pwede mo gamitin i-wipe sa trolley mo. Ito, tapos yan paper towel. Meron silang mga ganyang pagganap. Punta kami kay Mart, check namin kung meron silang hand sanitizer. Walang sanitizer kami nakita sa Kmart. So dito kami sa Priceline kasi kailangan ko din ng contact lens solution. Check natin kung meron silang ano guys, hand sanitizer. Meron na naman kami sa bahay. Pero, ito kasi, paubos na yung sa car. Sabi ni Dan dito daw yung hand sanitizer. Wala na guys. Wala nang natira. But I got my contact lens solution. We're good. Dito kami sa Foodland guys. Sabi ni Dan, huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi ka mauubusan ng chicken liver. Ikaw lang yung bumibili niyan. Bili tayo chicken liver at saka giblets. Here. Alright. Oh, here babe. Bumili din kami olive oil. Nakalimutan namin bumili sa Coles. Nakakaubusan na din yung mga meat nila dito. Yeah, these two.
Let's check.
Yeah, thank you. What else?
Actually, thinking of sausages.
What? Sausages? Sige, up to you. There's more sausages here. Oh.
No, these are Italian ones.
Okay.
Pork sausages. They're nice.
That's a big one, man.
That's what she said.
Bahay na kami, guys. Ito yung mga napamili namin. Ano lang to siya? Siguro not even a week of supply. Kasi hindi ako handa. Wala akong kompletong lista. Nagpunta kami sa dalawang shops, Coles at saka Foodland. Naiwan ni Holly yung kanyang denim vest at saka naiwan ni Mana yung kanyang sunnies. Pumunta kami ng Foodland, bumili lang kami nito. So, sa Foodland namin, yung malapit sa amin, meron pa naman silang ganito. When was the last time I showed you guys? Last time na pinakita ko sa inyo, marami pa. Kanina, konti na lang natira. Pero, hindi like completely ubos gaya ng Coles at saka Woolies. We just got a 9-roll pack. 1 pack of tissue. 2 packs of tissue pala. Extra virgin olive oil. And hanap namin mee goreng. Kasi nung napunta kami ng Coles, wala silang mee goreng na original. Mas gusto ko kasi yung original kasi yung hot and spicy, sobrang spicy siya para sa akin. So we got a 10-pack ba to? Yeah. Pang stock lang to, hindi to like kinakain ko na daily kasi mini-minimize ko yung aking noodles. So i-add natin yan dun sa ating pile mamaya. I got chicken liver at saka chicken giblets. Dan got Italian sausages. From Coles, my croissant. Bumili din kami nito kasi naka half price siya. Vanilla na may coconut. Mabango yan. We also got this kasi naka half price din siya. Cold powder. Cold power. Probiotic drink. Cream cheese for cooking for Danny Boy. Jam for Danny Boy. Nahihilig na siya kumain ng jam with bread lately. Lalagyan niya ng honey. We have 4 sweet corn. Toothpaste. And ito, may nakita akong yogurt na mango. So, try natin sila. Hindi ko pa siya na-try. YoPro na mango. And ito, Chobani na yogurt din. Ito, salted caramel crunch. And yung isa is caramel sunshine. Spinach. Ito yung paborito kong sponge cake from Coles. Yung mura lang, $5 lang yan, guys. Chicken Caesar salad bowl. Lunch ko yan. 2 trays ng eggs. Broccoli, 2. We have Dan's steak right here. We have bok choy, talong, garlic, onion, ginger. Ganda ng ginger nila. Ang linis-linis. Salmon, chicken breast, and chicken wings. Yun lang. Hello, late na guys. Natapos na ni Dan pinturahan yung mga pininturahan niya kahapon. So, he did the second and final coat. Sabihin ko sana na tinulungan ko siya, pero not really. I was just there, like, kinakausap ko siya, pero not like the actual tulong. And then we had dinner. And now, I'm gonna marinate chicken para sa adobo namin bukas because we will have adobo. So, nandito na yung ating nahugasan ng chicken wings at saka chicken drumstick. Lalagyan ko siya ng crushed garlic, soy sauce, at saka vinegar. Yun yung ilalagay ko. So, yung garlic, i-crush muna natin siya. Ginaganito ko muna siya para makuha lang yung balat ng garlic. Tapos, ginagamit ko ito para i-crush yung garlic. Manunood sana kami ng show sa Fringe ngayon. Kaya lang hindi namin tinuloy kasi sabi namin mag-practice na tayo na nandito lang tayo sa bahay. Ako wala naman akong problema sa mga ganun. Sila naman yung gusto ng labas. Pero sabi niya kanina, i-cancel lang natin kasi mag-practice tayo na nandito lang tayo sa bahay. Alright, so ito yung ating dinner. Bukas nilagyan ko lang siya ng soy sauce at saka white vinegar at saka garlic. Yan. Bukas natin yan lulutuin. Bukas ng gabi. So, it's gonna be marinating for almost 24 hours. Okay. Lagay natin sa fridge. Tatakbo na si Dan, guys. Pero, papakita niya muna sa atin yung kanyang mga... The food is good for how many weeks, you think?
How much we got?
Yeah. Show us, my love.
Study bag.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's right.
I got, I brought 4 kilos of chicken wings.
Did you?
Yeah, I brought it the other day.
Oh, okay.
Like in separate bags.
May mga binili siya, guys, na hindi ko alam. Okay.
Then I got...
So, we've got 4 kilos of chicken wings.
2 bags of chips.
Okay, yep. My favorite, yeah, shoestring.
I got some
Perfect. Fries, yep.
Meat pies.
Meat pies. Okay,
meat
yep.
pies. Then we got 4 lots of minced meat.
Okay, minced beef,
Shredded
yep.
beef
No
pasta.
pork, right?
Nah,
Yeah.
all beef.
That's good, yep.
That's why I want to get onions today and garlic. So
Yeah.
Pasta sauce.
Yeah, we got onions and garlic today as well,
That's
guys.
the bread. That's for...
Emergency?
Yeah. That's
Yep.
meant to be bread and pasta as well. More pasta.
Yep.
That's ravioli.
Okay.
So we got some good pasta, my love.
Alright.
We got
Our fridge is full as well, guys, for the
Plenty of
very
eggs.
first time.
plenty of eggs.
Yep.
And the other stuff we'll have during the week. But I've got
Yeah.
all the usual eggs.
The eggs we will have during the week as well.
And...
Ooh, and?
We've got 6 lifelong milks.
Oh yeah, lifelong milk.
Yeah. Lifelong milks.
Yep.
Paper towels.
Paper towels.
Chocolate behind there. Oh, there's chocolate.
Yeah, for emergency
Chocolate.
only, guys.
Rice.
Yep, rice.
Rice. Alright. That's all for there.
Yep.
16 rolls of toilet paper.
Yep.
3 boxes of tissues. This is really hard to find. This
Yo.
is hand sanitizer.
Meron siyang aloe vera. And then
I saw you put this here.
yeah,
What's that, babe?
70% alcohol. 70% solution alcohol.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we got
Here we go, guys.
15 noodles.
Migoring, yep. We got
4
that today.
spaghettis.
Spaghetti, yeah. Biscuit.
Biscuits, cereals.
Cereals. More noodles.
More noodles. Spam.
Oh yeah, hindi pa namin to na-try. Gusto ko nga siyang i-try. Sabi ni Dan, hindi. For emergency lang talaga to. So, teriyaki. Tapos, meron ding bacon ata isa dyan. Toothpaste. Yep, 2 boxes. Rice. Ay, sorry, babe.
10 more kilos of rice.
Yeah, 10 more kilos of rice. What's that, babe?
Muesli bars.
Okay,
2
yeah.
packets of muesli bars.
Yeah, meron pang isa dun. Biscuits.
Biscuits. 2 pancake mix.
Yeah. Ito yung aming emergency food.
Maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
You gotta eat breakfast, babe.
Yeah, I know. Breakfast food, dinner, lunch.
We got more pastas.
A lot of pasta, guys.
Pasta sauce.
Uy, please take note that we are sharing this as well sa mama niya. Oh, you got more as well. When did you get these? Yeah.
That's Mum's.
Ah, that's mom's. Okay, okay. That's alright then.
That's Mum's.
So we've got, what do we have here? We have...
That's apricots.
Okay.
That's desserts. Yeah, peach slices. 5 cans of tuna.
What's underneath?
And baked beans. Baked beans.
Okay. Hindi ko pa yan na-try. I haven't tried those. And we got heaps of these tomato puree. Puree? You got puree?
Yeah.
You should have gotten tomato. There's no, like, chunk of tomatoes? There's no tomato. No, it's just puree. You got puree. I don't think your mom wants these. I think she wants the tomato chunks. Tomato sauce for the pasta. Not puree.
I'll call her and ask what she says.
Ang gulo-gulo pa dito, guys. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-declutter dito. Meron akong box na malapit na mapuno. Pero yeah, ito yung picture ng nana ni Don na hindi ko na-meet kasi nawala na siya before pa ako dumating sa buhay ni Dan. Pero dun yan sa hallway, tinanggal ko lang. Tapos yung family picture, kinuha ko lang yung mga family picture, tapos yung frame, iniwan ko siya dyan. Kasi hindi siya magkasya dito and I don't think I will be keeping the frame anyway. Malapit na ito mapuno. Feeling ko ma-fit ko dito yung aking ring light. Pero yung kwarto sobrang gulo na. Ako na talaga ang nag-declutter pero nag-add kami ng ganyan kasi kailangan eh. Tinawagan niya yung mama niya. Tignan natin. So?
What? No,
Crushed tomatoes? Yeah, not puree.
No.
That's alright. Ayan, mas stress na naman yan siya. Isipin niya naman, agoy, hindi kompleto yung aking emergency kit. Oh, good? Okay. Tatakbo yan siya, guys. Ligpitin lang natin tong mga ano dito. Nilinis ko na yan. Diyan. Nilabas ko to kasi hindi na magkasya sa fridge. Diba? Ngayon lang to nangyari. Ngayon lang to nangyari na punong-puno yung fridge namin. Tignan nyo. Usually, napaka-empty nito tingnan dito. Kasi nandun sa freezer, mostly yung mga gamit or yung mga pagkain. Ngayon, pati freezer puno, dyan puno. That rarely happens. Very rare. Tingnan nyo guys. Dito yung family photo ko, tinanggal ko na siya. Tinanggal na din yung mga, may mga pa-design na mga, ano dyan, vase. Pero walang flower. Tinanggal niya na din. Wala na din. Yung dito, wala na din. Nandito yung picture ng nana niya at saka na din. Pero tinanggal ko na din. Maganda to, na feature ng bahay. Lalagyan to ng artwork or kung ano-ano ilalagay ng designer. Tapos may light siya dyan. Maganda to. Actually, kapag naka-on siya, tapos off yung hallway. Hala, uy, grabe na talaga mag-out of focus yung camera ko. Pero yeah, ang linis niya tingnan. Oh my gosh, guys. Walang kaganap-ganap. Una. Nakamask po ako. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Sana nagustuhan nyo guys. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. And kung gusto nyo lang naman, I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Bye! Mwah.